What's up YouTube, it's Louis here, I hope you're all well. Today we're going to look at Quant, and unfortunately I don't think tomorrow I'll be able to make a video. I'll try my hardest, but I am going to be on holiday tomorrow, so it seems like I don't think I will be making any sort of update tomorrow. So just come back to this if you've forgotten about it the next day. Please help this reach 200 likes. We're trying to hit 3.2k before the end of the weekend. I really hope we can do so. Let's try to get 50 subscribers in these last few days of the week, and we'll head into Quant. So we can see that we are struggling to get above the 200, but of course now that we are in this range between 83 and 150, we have to say that this is going to act as some sort of support. That is what we want, unless you want it to be a fake out. If you want it to be a fake out, meaning that this was a fake move to the top, it means that we're going to retest it as resistance and come back down to this double bottom neckline. That must hold. And of course, this is a previous swing high. When you make a new swing high over here, you come back to the old one. But equally, you could say that for here, this could be a swing high that you find support on. To be honest, I want to have a retest of the 55. Currently, as we speak, it's $75. But I've been telling you guys for the last week or so, the longer this takes to come down, the higher the EMAs would drag. Remember, I was telling you here on that green candle, and look how low the 20 EMA was at that point. Look, as the days have gone by, you can see the 20 EMA has dragged up a lot since that the point that we were talking about right there. You can see it's crept up from 75 now to 85. It's crept up $10 since we first started talking about it. And the same with the 55 EMA. It was at 70 and now at $75. So if we're talking about this in terms of the EMAs, then we should just see these EMAs hold. And it's just, we can't say the price because right now this is 75 and this is 85 or 86, whatever you want to say. But yeah, by the time it actually comes down, these would have actually come up a little bit more. So I can't even give you the exact number, but it's going to be around, 75 and 85, but a little bit higher for if it's the 20 or the 55. Of course, if we fall through them, we're going to come back down to here. Technically, because you're below the EMAs, it means that we should actually lose the low and whatnot. But for me, I'm more focused on this $50 psychological support. Because if this is a swing high and this is your new one, you would usually fall back to the previous one as support. But if you ever lost that, you go to the swing low down here, and that will act as support to continue up. And that would still be higher than this. However, yeah, it's less likely that... However, once we're under the EMAs, basically, they're going to form a bearish cross. So if we were to bottom out here, it's all about reclaiming that newly formed bearish cross and flipping it back into a bullish cross. So yeah, a lot of work has to be done, and this is why everything's step by step. But for me personally, everything is about this $50 psychological support. And as long as we're above this $50 psychological support, I will remain bullish. Once you're closing below this $50 psychological support, I will flip bearish, and I'll tell you guys, no, this is actually not the end. This move above 83 into this 8350 was a fake out. We're coming back down. The double bottom failed to hold and the 50 failed to hold. Now we're definitely going to lose this low and we're going to head lower. Basically, that's going to be the ultimate bull trap if so. But at the moment, we're not seeing those signs yet. When those signs are shown, I will call them out. But right now, I can't tell you that, yeah, this is a massive bull trap, even though we are running into the 200. Yes, this basically means if we fail to break above this, our trend is a downtrend. We should break the low, correct? But if we're using Fibonacci from the low to the high, we'd know with any pump, there's a 61.8 retracement point, which is where you find support to continue. Only if you close below that do you create a reversal wave, which only comes down to the one. Only once you lose the one do you actually go to the 1618. So do you see how the fibs could actually protect us in this scenario? So even though, yes, you're going to hear the bear saying, wow, we're at the 200 EMA, daily EMA is resistance. This is the signal of the downtrend. Look, you hit it here before and you lost this low, but you needed to lose this low here to lose that low. So it's the same with it. We need to lose this low to lose that low. So you can come down as deep as that. And this is what I'm telling you guys on the Bitcoin chart. Go over to my Bitcoin video. That's the most important video. That's going to tell you what's going to happen with your altcoins. If I'm not covering your coins at the moment, yeah, just focus on the Bitcoin chart. That's going to tell you exactly what's going on with the entire market, guys. So if you've appreciated this video, let's smash 200 likes. Let's get to 3.2k subscribers. And if you're interested in the education where I teach you all about this, at the moment we don't have any mentorship spots until late August, September. If you want to get those spots in, let me know now. But yeah, we also have the course available always, and the course won't be £250 forever. It will be going up to £350 when we're of course bullish. So get it while it's got this £100 discount. Thank you guys. I'll catch you in the next one, and as always, peace.